empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
First you need to download this Matte Transitions pack, and you can download this pack under the description. Inside this pack you will get 10 transition files. Now let's see how to use them inside the Premiere Pro. Fast import your video footage.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights.
Then add your 2 footage to the timeline.
Gotta get up, stop wasting time.
Now import transition pack.
And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
Select the transition, then just drag and drop it to the timeline. Place second video clip like that. Click razor tool and cut to the second video in your transition end position. Open window and click effect. Now type track matte key. It's applied to the second video cut footage. Now go to the effect control panel and track matte key, then composite using select, matte luma, and matte select, video 3. Wow, your transition is ready. Apply now second transitions. Okay guys, you can make more transitions in the same way. If you enjoy this transitions pack, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technical Figure channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.